Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni tumite njanjo cia murimu wa COVID-19 kaunti-ini ya Kisii kuria ratanya gutheca andu 700,000 akuma miaka 12 kwambatira. Njanjo icio igukorwo ikiriungio na ngari iria ithondeketwo ta kiriniki thoko-ini na nduka-ini kwa ihinda ria thiku 10. Utungata wa kuriungia njanjo urahuthika unyitaniri-ini na ruhonge rwa AMREF hamwe na Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na utanyite gutambio kaunti-ini ingi.
Kupeleka chanjo ya COVID-19 karibu na wananchi.
The mobile clinic that has been availed to us by the Ministry of Health in conjunction with AstraZeneca and AMREF Kenya. It will be in the county for 10 days, moving to markets, schools, churches, and availing vaccines to our people. We want to remind people that COVID is still here with us. Kisii County so far, we have had 3,500 cases and they are still rising. We have had about 242 deaths and they are still rising. We encourage people to get vaccinated because that is the only way we are going to end or stop COVID.